Hi guys, today we'll be learning how to play Cantina Band from Star Wars Episode 4, A New Hope. Let's get into it. As always, we'll have fingering right there. Okay, let me play it and then we'll go over some tricky part together. Okay? Okay, that's how it goes. So first, let's see, 6 notes. That's just A3 to A. That's no problem, right? Okay, now next part is a little tricky. So I'll go 0, high 3, 0. And then I will put the 4 right next to the high 4. No, 4 next to the high 3. So you do this 4, high 3, 4. And then it becomes regular 3. So 4, 3, 4, regular 3. And then regular 2, 3, 2. And then low 2. A lot of chromatic passages going on here. So let me do that again. 0, high 3, 0, 4, high 3, 4, regular 3, 2, 3, 2, low 2, in speed. Alright, okay, moving on. Same thing, 0, high 3, 0. And then 3, 3, 2, 3. And then low 2, low 1. And then repeat. And then low 2s, low 2. And then low 4 on the A string. And then high 3 on the D string. So it's these two together like this on the A string, low 4 to 3, and then high 3 to 4 on the D string. Finished by a low 2. Okay. Moving on, next page. Until there. So I do 3 on the E string and low 1, and then just repeat that twice. And then 3, low 1, and then I like to slide into the regular 2. So 3, low 1, slide into 2, and then 3. And then low 1. And then you repeat that. And then low 2, and then low 2. So these are bridged. Low 2 on the E string and low 2 on the A string. Got it? Moving on. Same thing. And then here gets rather tricky. So you go low 1, 3, and then low 1 on the E string. And the next part is just regular 1, 3, and then low 1. So, and then slide into 2. Okay. In speed. Okay, one more time. And then you go to D string. So you go D, low 2, low 1, and then 3. Slide into the high 3. And then you go to the beginning and repeat the whole thing. Okay, so that was Cantina Band. Make sure you keep the swing feel alive so it's not this. It's not that. It's that, okay? Alright, all the fingers are written there. I hope that helped. Until next time, please like, subscribe, and